Hello everyone, in this video I will review Abacus AI. Abacus AI is a modern platform designed to make artificial intelligence easier for businesses and developers to use. It focuses on helping companies build, train, and manage machine learning models without needing a huge technical team. The platform has a clean design, so even people who are not experts in AI can set up and deploy models. One of its strengths is automation. It can handle tasks like data preparation, model training, and deployment in just a few clicks. This saves a lot of time for teams who would otherwise need to do everything manually. Abacus AI also supports deep learning and generative AI, which makes it useful for advanced projects like natural language processing and recommendations. Another benefit is that it allows real-time monitoring of models, so you can keep track of performance and make adjustments when needed. The platform is cloud-based, meaning you can access it from anywhere and scale it easily as your needs grow. It also integrates with common tools and databases, which makes it flexible for different industries. Abacus AI emphasizes security and reliability, giving businesses more confidence in using AI at scale. Pricing may vary depending on usage, so it could be costly for smaller projects. However, the value comes from how much time and effort it saves in the long run. It's especially strong for companies that want to put AI into production quickly. The support team and documentation are also helpful for guiding new users. Overall, Abacus AI is a solid choice for organizations that want both simplicity and powerful in their AI workflows. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this.